Modern Kenmore Elite dishwashers from 2020 to 2025 feature advanced smart connectivity, enhanced error detection, and improved energy efficiency. Understanding how to properly reset your dishwasher is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are 3 primary reset methods for Kenmore Elite dishwashers. Each method serves different purposes and situations. The hard reset, also called a power cycle, involves disconnecting power for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal computers to fully reset, clears all temporary error codes, and restores factory default settings. The control panel reset uses the Start-Cancel button or specific button combinations to clear errors while maintaining your user preferences. This method varies by model year, but typically involves holding the Start-Cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds. The door reset sequence involves opening and closing the dishwasher door 3 times within 12 seconds. This activates diagnostic mode on many models and is particularly useful for clearing door-related error codes. Safety is paramount when performing dishwasher resets. Always disconnect power before manual resets and document any error codes before clearing them for warranty purposes. This documentation can be crucial for technician diagnosis if professional service becomes necessary. Kenmore Elite dishwashers use specific error codes to communicate problems. Understanding these codes helps you troubleshoot issues quickly and effectively. The IE error indicates a water inlet problem. This means your dishwasher cannot fill with water properly. Check your water supply and ensure valves are fully open. The OE error means your dishwasher cannot drain properly. Before resetting, you must clean the drain filter located at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. LE errors indicate motor problems and often require professional service after a hard reset. FE errors signal water overflow. Immediately check for leaks and ensure proper door sealing. Temperature errors occur when water is too hot or too cold. Adjust your water heater to between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal dishwasher performance. Modern Kenmore Elite models from 2023 and later include auto recovery features that can resolve minor issues automatically without user intervention. Emerging technologies include AI-powered diagnostics, voice-activated resets through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and augmented reality support via QR codes for enhanced troubleshooting. According to Appliance Repair Association data, 78% of dishwasher service calls can be resolved with proper reset procedures, potentially saving hundreds of dollars in service fees.